Ever thought about what younger women first notice about older men? Today, we're diving into this subject, uncovering those initial aspects or traits that catch a younger woman's eye when she meets an older man. By the end of this video, you'll know what really resonates with younger women, helping you understand their perspective better. Oh, and don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a key insight that can change the way you see these initial impressions, adding an extra layer to your understanding of this dynamic. 1. Communication skills. In the world of dating, especially between younger women and older men, the art of communication is the secret sauce in a gourmet recipe. It's not about what you say, but how you say it. Let's talk about communication skills. And I'm not just referring to picking the right emoji for your text messages. Older men, you've got an ace up your sleeve here: your experience. This experience translates into a treasure trove of conversation topics. You've lived more, seen more, and hey, probably even failed more. And that's okay. It's this rich life experiences that makes chatting with you a journey in itself. There's more to communication than just words. Your body language speaks volumes. That confident posture, the way you make eye contact, but not too intensely. We don't want to scare anyone away. And that calm demeanor. These are the unsung heroes of a good conversation. They whisper tales of wisdom and experience, without you having to narrate your autobiography. So, older gents, remember, your communication skills are a blend of your wisdom and the stories you carry. Keep it light, keep it engaging, and watch the magic happen. 2. Physical fitness and health. All right, let's move to a topic that's not just about looking good, but feeling fantastic. Physical fitness and health. You know the saying, age is just a number? Well, when it comes to staying in shape, that couldn't be more true. And remember, taking care of your looks is not just for those young bucks. Maintaining your physical health as you age is tuning a classic car. It's all about upkeep and the right kind of attention. First things first, find an activity you love. Hate running? No problem. Maybe you're a brisk walk in the park kind of guy or a Zen master yogi. The key is consistency and enjoying what you do. Remember, you're not training for the Olympics. You're moving to keep your heart happy and your joints jiving. And once you start doing this, we guarantee that's the first thing a younger woman will notice about you. And let's talk about food. No need to go all kale and quinoa unless that's your jam. It's all about balance. Enjoy your favorite foods, but keep the greasy takeout as a treat, not a routine. Younger women take note of such things, and it definitely plays a huge role in their attraction to you. So, lace up those sneakers and let's keep that heart beating strong and steady, and watch how you start getting noticed more. 3. Grooming and style. When it comes to first impressions, grooming and style are the silent yet powerful game changers. Think of it this way. Your style is the cover of your book, and we all know how much covers matter in the real world. But don't worry, you don't need to dress like you're on the runway of Milan Fashion Week. Let's start with grooming. It's the basic yet essential stuff: a neat haircut, a well-trimmed beard or a clean shave, and nails that look like you didn't just fix a car engine. These are like the basics of a good recipe. You just can't go wrong with them. Now, on to style. You don't have to keep up with every trend that pops up on your social media feed. Go for timeless styles. A classic button-up shirt paired with well-fitted trousers. That's like the secret sauce for looking sharp. Or maybe a tailored blazer for that extra dash of sophistication. The key is wearing clothes that fit you well and make you feel comfortable. Remember, irrespective of age, a man who looks well-groomed and stylishly comfortable in his own skin is always going to turn heads. It's not about age, it's about attitude and a little bit of style magic. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If you do, how about showing a little support? A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. Thank you. 4. Confidence and maturity. When it comes to the allure of older men, confidence and emotional maturity just make everything better. These aren't traits you can fake. They're earned through a rich blend of life experiences, triumphs, and yes, even those not-so-great moments. Confidence in an older man is a well-fitted suit. It never goes out of style. You don't have to be the loudest in the room or have all the answers. The real attractiveness is that calm, assured vibe, the kind that says, "I've got this," without uttering a single word. It's in the way he handles a tough situation, listens attentively, and respects differing opinions. It's a very magnetic quality to have. Then there's emotional maturity. Oh boy, is that a breath of fresh air? It's about knowing who you are, embracing both strengths and vulnerabilities, and being comfortable in your own skin. This maturity means not getting flustered by the small stuff. because you've seen bigger waves and surfed them. And it's about being a stable, reliable presence in a world that often feels like a roller coaster. These traits are appealing because they're about depth, understanding, and a quiet, captivating strength. They tell a story of a life well lived and lessons well learned. And let's be honest, who wouldn't find that intriguing? 5. Financial stability and career accomplishments. When it comes to what younger women notice in older men, financial stability and career accomplishments are definitely on the radar. It's a secret superpower, but instead of flying or super strength, it's about having your life together. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who's climbed the career ladder, not just for the status or the paycheck, but for the journey and the wisdom gained along the way. Career achievements speak volumes about a man's dedication, intelligence, and ambition. It's not just about the corner office or the fancy title, but the hard work, resilience, and smarts it took to get there. This kind of stability offers a sense of security, and let's face it, it's reassuring to know you're with someone who won't panic when the credit card bill arrives. But, and this is a big but, it's important not to let this aspect define you. There's a fine line between being proud of your achievements and turning every date into a board meeting. Remember, wealth isn't just measured in dollars and cents. It's also about the richness of your character and your life experiences. So, by all means, celebrate your success, but make sure it's not the only story you have to tell. After all, you're more than just your job title or your bank balance. 6. Sense of humor and positivity. The timeless charm of a good sense of humor and a positive outlook. Traits that can make any age gap seem like just a number. Think about it. Who doesn't love a good laugh and a dose of sunshine in human form? A great sense of humor in an older man is a beacon of light. It shows that you don't take life too seriously and can laugh at the curveballs thrown your way. It's about being able to turn a regular conversation into a memorable one, filled with laughter and smiles. And let's be honest, laughter is a universal language. It knows no age. Then there's positivity, the cherry on top. A positive outlook is like wearing rose-tinted glasses, but in the best way possible. It means you see the glass half full, you find silver linings in stormy clouds, and your vibe is more sunny days than gloomy skies. This positivity is infectious, and it's a breath of fresh air, especially in a world that can sometimes feel a bit too heavy. Together, a sense of humor and positivity don't just bridge the age gap, they build a whole new bridge. They show that joy and laughter are ageless, and a sunny disposition never goes out of style. So keep those jokes coming and that positive flag flying high. They're your secret weapons in the world of attraction. Ready for the bonus round? Let's talk about the attractiveness of life experience and wisdom that older men bring to the table. Imagine each year as a chapter in an epic novel, filled with adventures, plot twists, and invaluable lessons. The wisdom of older men is incomparable. This shows up in those insightful conversations that go beyond the usual small talk. It's in the way you can offer a different perspective, one that's been shaped by years of diverse experiences. And then, there's emotional intelligence, the ability to navigate not just your emotions, but to understand and empathize with others. This kind of maturity brings a calm approach to life's challenges, turning what could be a storm into a manageable breeze. The appeal of a man who can share tales from his past, impart lessons learned, and still be open to new adventures and ideas is immense. So, gentlemen, remember, your life experiences and wisdom aren't just your past, they're your superpowers in the present. Now that you know what women notice first, what's next for you? Discover how younger women signal they want you to make a move, or learn what to do to make her obsess over you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.